Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can create a QR code that will take people to a landing page requesting a CMA. All right, I'm going to share my screen with you and we will get started. All right, the first thing that you're going to do is go down here to consumer on the bottom left. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a landing page that people will go to submit their information requesting a CMA on their property. So we're going to go up here to create a new page in blue at the top right. And then down here, we're going to click as a landing page, create page. So now we have our blank canvas where we can drag over all the widgets and information that we want on this page. So the first thing we're going to do is name the page. This is what people will actually see when they click on it. At the very top, it will say whatever you put here. So I'm going to put request information about your home. Okay, so the first widget I recommend is click on branded header and drag it over. The second one would be a couple options. If you wanted to create a flyer where you could have it very nice looking, very appealing to the eye catching, you could create a flyer on Canva or in Designs. And when you're finished, you could add it by clicking content blocks and click on image and drag that over. Okay. So once you get here, you would just click on this part to click on the flyer. Let's just pretend this is the flyer. Open it and then click on the image and it drops it in there. So just imagine that this flyer said a picture of a house and it said, would you like more information about what your home is worth in today's market? Something like that. Then below that, we would click on widgets over here on the right side. And now we're going to do the lead form. Click it and drag it over. Now, quick note, if you were not going to do a flyer, what I would recommend is content blocks. There's text, so you could drag a text box over instead of a flyer and type all the information right here about your what this page is for. You know, please fill out this information below to request a CMA for your property. All right, but in this example, the flyer specifies all that for us. So now we have our agent branded header, the flyer with the information, and this lead form. The last thing we're going to do is widgets on the top right again, and then click on legal footer, drag it over and drop below the lead form. And that is your whole page. So to customize it, all we have to do is click configure widgets at the bottom right. And you'll see all of them already have a green check mark because they are technically customized already. However, if you want, there's an option on branded header. If you click on it, you can add a text up here. So let's say request information, about, I cannot type, your request information, ... something like that. Save and apply. And now that's at the top. However, that is optional. You don't have to fill that out. So I'm just going to leave mine blank and save it and apply. Then if I click next, it gives me the option to change the header text of this lead form. So what I would change it to is, please, my goodness, please fill out this form to request the value of your home today. Be sure to add your mailing address to the notes section. And save and apply. So now those specific instructions are here and the page is good. So all we have to do now is click publish page at the top right. Are you sure you want to update and activate this page? Yes, update it. So now we have our website. It is ready to go. By website, I mean landing page, by the way. So to find it, if you click on landing page up here at the top middle, you'll see your page right here at the very top. So what we're going to do now is we're going to right click on that link and we're going to copy. On a new window, if you open up qrstuff.com, then you are going to create your QR code on this page. So all you have to do once you're on qrstuff.com, it already selects website URL for you. Scroll down to content, step 2, delete this URL that's here and paste the one you just copied. And then change it from dynamic to static. And lastly, you'll see your QR code generated at the top right here under QR code preview. However, if you wanted to change the color, just click where it says color, click that black box, change it to whatever color you want it to be and choose. Now you'll see that QR code has changed colors and you can download your QR code right here. It always is going to prompt you to download or subscribe. Just say no thanks. But your QR code should have downloaded to your computer. And now if you scan this QR code, let me show you what it'll do. So I have my phone here. I'm opening my camera. I go to I get on it and then it will bring me right to that website that the landing page that we just created. And then when you fill this in, let me show you what will happen. Okay, so now I have filled in the form. And then when I scroll down and I click on send, now it has submitted my info. You'll see I've already received the lead from test on my app. And then when I click on command here, you will see that that lead has just came through as well. New lead captured. When I click on it, it'll take me right to the contact record for test. And in the note, I wrote test. So that's where you would find their mailing addresses right here in the note, but you'd have their email, their phone number, and their name and their mailing address. So if you have any questions, I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know if you need anything. Have a great day.